Before you start cooking, keep these points in mind. Make sure to cut open all the ingredients packets before you start following the recipe. Arrange all the ingredients as per the numberings on them. Keep all the utensils required for cooking ready beforehand. Give the recipe card a quick read before you start the cooking process. Now let's start with the recipe. Take a cooking pan and heat up the refined oil in it. Once the oil is sufficiently hot, add in the YP cheese bomb patty and shallow fry your patty until it turns golden brown from both sides. Do not start moving around your patty as soon as you put it in the oil. Give it some time to set. YP cheese bomb patty is created and perfected by our top chefs through repeated tries. It has various layers of flavors all inside just one patty. On the very top is the perfect crust, followed by the main patty contents filled with the goodness of vegetables, enriched with the flavors from various spices and herbs, and finally at the center it has a molten core of velvety cheese which just bursts into your mouth when you bite into your burger. Do not move the patty around too much. Flip only once as the patty is stuffed, so it is very important to be gentle during the frying process. As soon as your patty is done frying, take it out in a separate dish and unwrap the cheese slices and place them on the top of the freshly fried patties so that the heat melts the cheese to infuse it with the patties. Now, take a non-stick pan and it is time to toast your burger buns in butter until they are golden. Now it is time to assemble your burger. Take the bottom part of your burger bun and place a large leaf of lettuce on it. Lettuce acts as a barrier for the moisture so that the bun does not turn soggy. Now put a couple of pickled jalapenos on top of the lettuce. Spread half of the YP tandoori mayo on top of the jalapenos, saving the other half for the second burger. Now carefully place the patty with the cheese slice infused on the top. It is time to spread half of the YP mint mayo on top of the patty, saving the other half for the second burger. Finally, place one slice each of tomato and onion on top of your burger. Complete the burger by placing the toasted bun on the top. Repeat the process to make another burger. And there you go. Your drool-worthy Juicy Lucy burger are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them along with the ketchup.